Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm seriously considering doing a new intro because I'm getting so tired of saying that intro. Like, it just sounds so like robotic. I just want to be like, hey, what's up? Like, I want something more chill, and I feel like that's just too like Welcome back, guys. I am so happy to see all my subscribers here. I have such an exciting video. I don't think I've been ever so excited to film a video lately. Like, I haven't been like this inspired and like excited. So yeah, I'll just be warned, I'm losing a thumb and I lose nails. Yeah, I've lost 2 nails. So yeah, what this video is about. If you guys don't know, if you don't follow me on social media, you definitely should. Links below. Self-promo. Anyways, I had kind of put my journey on Instagram of my time at Artistry Lab. If you guys don't know what Artistry Lab is, that is where Sephora sends artists to basically this big convention. It's like a 3-day convention where you just basically learn new tips and tricks of to kind of elevate your artistry and really make you one badass. Yeah. Anyways, we went to Artistry Lab and it was an amazing experience. I could not be more grateful for my store for sending me. But anyways, so yeah, Urban Decay was one of the brands there, and we got one of these bad boys. So if you don't recognize this, which you probably do by now because it's been out for a little while, this is the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. And as most of you know, you've seen it. Stunning palette. I'll be honest with you, because like I haven't always been a fan of Urban Decay eyeshadows. I'm gonna keep it real. And when this came out, I was like, oh, that's, you know, that's different. Like, I like the layout, I like the color, but I wasn't like drawn to it. I think because I was so put off by like other Urban Decay eyeshadows and palettes that I'm like, oh, the pictures don't really do anything for me. And then I saw it in store, and I was like, this palette? Like, so pretty. Like, it's so much prettier in person than like what social media was making it out to be. I don't know, but when I look at it, I'm like, it just gives me feelings. So yeah, basically all that rambling, I got it in gratis, so I'm going to be creating a look for you today, and I'm so excited. I have no clue what look I'm going to create. I haven't decided yet. It's just, we're just going to wing it. We're just going to wing it, okay? So yeah, if you want to see what look I created with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, then please keep watching.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me rip it off, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah. I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
this is the completed look that I created with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So I will say I love how this look turned out. One thing I noticed, I'm just going to give you my thoughts because this is the first time using it. I did see quite a bit of kickback in this color, the Still Shot. What I use is like my transition color. That had a good amount of kickback, which I really don't care as long as it performs well. These were pretty good. This one had a little bit of kickback too. The Blaze color I'm obsessed with. This is what I kind of put on my lid. It's almost like a duo gold pink shift. It's super pretty. Other than that, I noticed on this side it could have just been like the viewfinder. You know, sometimes you look in the viewfinder and you're like, that looks like shit. But then you look here and you're like, no, it looks fine. There was like a spot on this eye that was getting super patchy, like it wouldn't lay color right there. But it's fine now. I made it work. So I think it was just the viewfinder. I don't think it was actually like the palette itself. I don't know. Y'all let me know if you run into any of those problems with this palette. But yeah, other than that, I'm really loving just this look I created. I'm like, this is gonna be my new go-to palette. It's kind of giving me like Desert Dust vibes from Huda Beauty, which is what I really wanted to try, like this right here. So I'm obsessed with that. I really am excited to use like these really cool shimmers, like the greens and then like the blues. Oh, I'm excited to use those. But yeah, that is it for this video. Oh, also too, I kind of cut it out in the video, but I tried the new Fenty Fly Liner to create this wing. I'm thinking about, because I just got this in Gratis too, I'm thinking about doing a Gratis haul. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. I'm probably going to film it right after this. Use that to create the wing. And yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. If you liked the look that I did or you liked the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. I know this one's a little janky compared to this one. But yeah, let me know what you thought in the comments below as well. But like I said, liking the video helps me out tremendously. So shout out to all my subscribers that have been subscribing lately. I see you. If you haven't already joined our family, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. I don't know which side it's on, but you know. That is it. That is all I'm going to say. I'm going to wrap it up now. I love you so much. Make sure you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!